Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I know I've been gone for a little while, but the bike has been going through some things. Doing a test ride right now. Basically, we got some power issues on the bike. Replaced the stator on it. New battery. So this is going to be a quick test ride just to see if the bike is charging. Now, do have an ohms meter, so we checked what the battery was before. So I'm gonna open it up a little bit, see how it does, make sure we ain't got no leaks, see if the battery's charging. Now, if it's not charging, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing on the truck, and we're gonna take it down to the actual Honda dealership and let the certified professionals take a look at it. But so far, it's riding okay. Definitely riding okay. So, we're gonna see. A couple symptoms I did notice though, when that battery was going dead, when it wasn't charging, the bike started missing. It was definitely like the plugs were not getting power. Oh yeah. Okay, so she still know how to run. So besides power issues, I definitely feel like the bike is still running okay, that's for sure. Still got plenty of giddy up. But something else I want to talk about. I know my last videos, I was trying to work out the microphone issue. What I ended up doing was buying another adapter. I forgot how you describe it. TRS or TSSR or whatever it is. The adapter that came with the mic, it was only giving me mono sound. I was trying to figure out what the hell it was. I didn't know if it was a setting on the GoPro. I went through all those, switched different microphones, nothing. The only time I've had success getting stereo sound, I ain't gonna, it's traffic up here, it's weak. The only time I had success getting stereo sound was when I purchased a new adapter that was kind of L-shaped. It was like $6, man. $6 has eliminated all the headache I was dealing with. So just something kind of food for thought for anyone that has GoPro issues and you're trying to get stereo sound. I think that's a little shortcut over there. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Look at these lights. It's a nice little windy road back there. Give me a little two-wheel therapy. I ain't had a chance to ride in weeks. It's been weeks since I've actually rode the bike. So, hopefully this video comes out okay. Alright, let's go here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Man, ain't nothing worse than having a bike that you can't ride. But it's gonna be just like I said, it's just a quick little test ride. I ain't gonna go too far just in case I break down or something crazy happens. But it's a lot of windy roads, there's a lot of twists and turns and all of that stuff on these streets back here. So we ain't gonna go too far. Get up here and turn around. So for anyone out there that has had power issues on your Honda CBR1000 RR, this is a 07. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys did. Was it a stator issue or was it something else? I'll tell you, my foot's dry. My foot's still dry, so that's a good sign. So definitely a good sign as far as leaks. But we're gonna get up here and turn around somewhere. I don't see nobody behind me. But oh yeah, hopefully it's good things to come. All these people coming around. Dump truck. Alright, let's go. Yeah, a little two-wheel therapy. happy, baby. Man, I feel better already. I feel better already. But the true test is gonna be when we hook this sucker up to the battery and see what's going on. So definitely curious to see what happens. I'm getting ready to head back to the house now. Good news is I got a truck. I was able to grab me a ramp and some ties. Go ahead and strap this bike on down. So shout out to everybody enjoying the Chevy life. That's for sure. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hoping the sound quality is coming out on this video. Definitely trying to check off the boxes one at a time as far as issues. Being able to vlog effectively. Not having issues as far as recording, and sound definitely is a headache I don't want to deal with. And getting the bike running. So let's see how we doing here. Quick stator check. I don't see any leaks. My shoes dry. Don't see any smoke. All right now. All right. But yeah, it's prime riding season. I definitely I'm looking forward to being able to get back in the groove. A cousin of mine just picked him up a 2010 CBR1000 RR. Just got finished putting a new pipe on it and all kinds of stuff. So he's just waiting on me. So as soon as I get mine back up and running, then we are definitely gonna be hitting these streets, man. It's gonna be a lot of content, a lot of vlogging. We're gonna compare the two bikes. We got to see who's a little faster. I think mine is, but of course, you know, we got to find out for real. But just open my helmet a little bit. I don't know if it's echoing or not. Woo! Nice day. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We lost our display. That means we got battery issues. So we are not in the clear yet. Oh, damn. Hang on. Damn, bike broke down on me. Damn it. If I can get across to that parking lot over there, I think I'll be alright. I might have to call in some reinforcements. I was having a good day until now. Yeah, I don't want fire.
Not enough to turn it over.
Nope. Just not enough. Gave it a shot. Appreciate it though. Yeah.
Sorry we couldn't help you out.
Oh, that's alright. Man, oh man. What a day. Everything was going well, and then I ended up having to be rescued by my own damn truck. But it's all good. You know, I've done everything I can to cut corners and try to fix the bike myself. You know, aftermarket stators, new batteries. At the end of the day, sometimes it's better to just take your bike to the dealership and let the professionals handle it. So that's exactly what I did. Luckily, I own a vehicle that I can haul it down here with. But that's what we're going to do. You know, these guys are giving me an estimate of a couple weeks to get the bike repaired. Hopefully, it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. But until then, we're going to be down and out, but hopefully we'll be riding again here very, very soon. So hope you guys enjoyed the quick vlog. I'm out. As always, you guys keep doing what y'all do. Y'all be easy. Safe riding.